What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that is very crucial for graphic designers, and that is building strong client relationships. Now the rules are simple. If you don't have clients, you won't have money, and then you won't be able to sustain yourself. And we don't want that to happen to you. Whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just starting out as a graphic designer, I believe this is a critical skill to make sure you stay in the business and become profitable. So without wasting much time, let's get into the essential tips for building a strong and lasting relationship with your clients. Now, first things first, communication is key, and this is something that we all know. Now, this communication doesn't just mean you answering the phone or writing emails. It's more about being authentic and genuine in all of your interactions. Take your time to really listen, really listen to the client's needs and concerns. Show a little bit of empathy and understanding, and most importantly, be very transparent with what you can actually deliver. This is very important because you don't want to overpromise something that you can deliver on, and in the long run, the client will have a bad taste in their mouth whenever your name comes up. So yeah, we don't want that. Be transparent, be clear on what you can possibly deliver. Now this is where you have to really dig deep into your inner spidey senses and kind of anticipate problems before they arise. This kind of allows you to offer solutions to your client before they even realize there was a problem in the first place. This doesn't only demonstrate your skill and expertise in the field, it also kind of builds trust with your client. Now in everything we do, consistency is always key, and the same applies to communication. Try as much as you possibly can to keep your client updated on all progress of the project. Now I've been here before and I know how designers work, and sometimes you might not have that much progress, or maybe you promised a certain level of progress at a certain time and you don't want to lie and give fake updates. But in most cases, it's best to still give some sort of update on where you currently are, even if you're still in the process of brainstorming and idea generation. So whether it's a phone call or a WhatsApp message or even an email, giving your client regular updates make them feel like you're part of the team and you want them to succeed. Now, as tempting as it may be, please do not lie to your client. Set clear expectations right from the jump on what you're going to deliver, when you're going to deliver it, what exactly you need from them for you to deliver the said thing, and also what you expect from them after you deliver it. This definitely ensures a smoother workflow because both you and your client will know exactly what to expect from the project. Now this is a rule that I personally live by. I always underpromise and overdeliver. So this basically means that whatever your client expects from you, you deliver 10 times more than, no, not 10 times. Let's just say 2 times more, or just a fraction more than what the client expected. This shows them that you're committed and you're also willing to go the extra mile, and clients love that. So whether it's delivering ahead of schedule or adding a little extra deliverable at the end of the project, going above and beyond definitely sets you apart from the competition that's all around you. So there you have it guys, 5 essential tips for getting and keeping your clients. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found it useful in any way, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace.